Hello children. In our lesson today, we're going to look at repeated addition in a little bit more detail. We began to find out all about it yesterday, so today we're going to find out some more. So let's begin by recapping. So I wonder how I might write these groups here as a repeated addition. Remember, you have to count how many equal groups you have and how many there are in each group to find the addition. So I have got 3 groups with 3 in each group. So I've got 3 groups with 3 in each group. That means I've got 3 groups of 3. So that would be 3, add 3, add 3. And I can work out how many I have in total because I can count them. 3 add 3 add 3. 3 add 3 is 6. Add on another 3 is 9. If I'm a little bit unsure, I can count each group individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 add 3 add 3 is the same as 9. So let's look at this example. Got some more equal groups here. Let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal groups with 3 in each group. 1, 2, 3. So there are 5 equal groups of 3. So I can say there are 5 groups of 3 rather than having to say the equal if I wanted to, because that's just a bit quicker. But saying 5 groups of 3 is quite complicated, and it's not the way that we would record this in mathematical terms. So we'd record it as an addition. So let's see if I can record this as an addition. Right, so I've got my 5 groups and I've got 3 in each group. That means if I write 3 5 times, I will have the same representation. So let's try it. So I've got 3 here. I'm going to add on 3 here. Add on 3 here, add on 3 here, add on 3, and that equals 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That equals 15. Let me just double check that I've got the right answer because I can count how many I've got. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's have a look at yet another example, children. Here, I've got some more equal groups. I have got equal groups of 2. How many equal groups have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3 equal groups of 2. I can write this as a repeated addition to say I've got 2, add on 2, add on another 2. And that would add up to, let's count, 2, 4, 6. That would add up to 6. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 add 2 add 2 is 6. I can show this in a bar model as well, children. So my bar model, my biggest number, my whole goes here. And then my parts, my smaller numbers, go here. And 2 add 2 add 2 would add up to 6 because the sum of the parts will make the whole. Now children, do you remember how yesterday we looked at how we could rearrange our equal groups into different combinations? And we're going to use what we learnt yesterday to help us solve a little problem. Let's look at what I have written here. I have got 2 groups of 6 and I've used the equal sign, which means is the same as, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 2. Does that sentence make sense? Is 2 groups of 6 the same as 6 groups of 2? What do you think? I'd like you to pause the video here and I'd like you to talk to your grown-up about this. Well, children, I think you've probably worked out that this is correct because my 2 groups of 6 contain the same amount as 6 groups of 2. Remember yesterday we looked at how we could rearrange things, and if I had my 2 groups of 6, I could actually turn them into 6 groups of 2. So my 2 groups of 6 is the same as 6 groups of 2. So let's have a look at another example, children. Here I have got 3 groups that have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 3 equal groups with 5 in each group on this side. And on this side, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups with 3 in each group. I've put the equal sign between them. I wonder if I'm right. So let's have a little look. I have got 3 groups with 5 in. If I did that, let's write that as a repeated addition. 5 add 5 add 5. Is that going to be equal to 3 add 3 add 3 add 3 add 3? Well, 5 add 5 add 5 is 15. And 3 add 3 add 3 add 3 add 3 is also 15, because 3 add 3 is 6, add on 9, add on 3 is 9, add on 3 is 12, add on 3 is 15. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's also 15. So both of those add up to 15. So I can say 15 is the same as 15. When you're looking at any repeated addition or calculation that's written like this, you need to work out the total value on each side of the equal sign to help you. So let's look at one more example. So I've got another example here. I've got 4 add 4. My equal sign statement is the same as 2 add 2 add 2 add 2. What do I have to do? Well, I need to work out whether 4 add 4 is actually the same as 2 add 2 add 2. So are 2 groups of 4 the same as 4 groups of 2? I can do that by using my addition skills, or if I needed to, I could draw some pictures. So let me draw 2 groups of 4. Is that the same as 4 groups of 2? 2 groups of 4 adds up to 8. 2 add 2 add 2 add 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's double check. 2, 4, 6, 8 is the same as 8. So if you're presented with an equation like this and you need to check it, you can draw a picture to help you. So now, children, I'd like you to try the independent tasks that I've put in our PDF file. If you're finding things a little bit tricky, there's an alternative task that you can do. And if you want a little bit more of a challenge, there's a different task you can do. Remember, if you need to, children, draw a picture or use some equipment. Here's my pasta that I could have used to help. Anything that you can find around the house will help you. So draw a picture, use some equipment if you need some help to answer the questions. I know you're going to be brilliant and I can't wait to see your work. Bye for now, year 2.